Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to another 2-minute tongue twister challenge. This challenge is focusing on two sounds, the sounds n and ul. So the tongue twister is, no need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. Once more, no need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. So there are three words that start with the sound n, no, need, and night, and two words that start with the sound ul, light and like. So let's put it together. No need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. Now, you try. So how did you go? Could you say this tongue twister? No need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. Keep practicing. Just a few minutes every day will help to improve your English pronunciation and so improve your English listening. There are lots more tongue twisters, limericks and other ways to practice your English pronunciation in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, which you can find right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Just a little bit of practice every day will work those English muscles and improve your English pronunciation. So head over to Jill's Gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.